guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we're doing a prank on my dad. So my cousin's gonna be in the background with the slime, and she's gonna act like she farting. Well, I don't know. She fart. I don't know. I really don't know. But I might actually fart. So let's just get this video to 100,000 K. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. It will be down in the description, so just don't follow it on the side. My stomach hurts, and I got to pass gas.
Well, pass it.
Okay.
God.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I can't do it that too much. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You alright?
Yes.
The world.
Excuse me.
Might use the restroom.
Because if the worst thing that happens from this whole cluster is your domestic problems, then we consider ourselves lucky. We just dodged a huge bullet back there who almost made the worst decision
I'm just
of
a
our
little
lives.
girl.
Okay.
You know what? If he opens that closet door,
Excuse me. Excuse
that's right.
me.
So we're very, very lucky. What's the matter with us? You know what?
You need to change it to your pajamas too.
Things went our way, we could pull that off. No, we're not criminals. We suck at crime. We're like
Yeah, we like that.
baseball and wear pants.
Yeah.
Have to be in cogs in the machine. Cogs.
I got a pen.
Oh, shoot.
This one's got to be loud. So you better come here. This.
You paying for play with it. What the world?
me. Excuse me.
You ain't did that. Nuh-uh.
Oh!
It's a prank.
Oh, she gave your phone like that all the time. I didn't know that.
I don't even see you.
God, you can't see me either. Oh, you're pointing at Kaden that way. It's pointing the way Kaden's in there. Oh!
I got him, but y'all can't see him.